Hi, I'm Rita Wilkins, also known as the Downsizing Designer. So if you only have 5 minutes, you're in exactly the right place. Welcome to my weekly 5 in 5 series where I share 5 quick tips in just 5 minutes. They're simple, powerful tips to help you calm the chaos, to clear the clutter, and also live a simpler life with less. So today I'm going to be talking about resetting your mornings, 5 tips to help you set the day to be simpler and also more peaceful. So let's get started. Here's my first tip. Don't touch the phone first thing. So a client once told me that her mornings felt like a fire drill because the second she opened her eyes, she would check her email. So she was starting her day reacting to other people's needs, not her own. And the reason this works is because your brain wakes up calmer and more creative without the flood of instant notifications. So if you try this, put your phone across the room and in the morning, take 5 slow breaths before you even look at it. Notice the difference in your mood and also how much calmer you might feel. So the second tip is make your bed. And this might sound a little bit crazy, but a Navy SEAL, Admiral McRaven, wrote that if you want to change the world, start by making your bed. But those small wins add momentum, and they build momentum. I've seen even the most cluttered clients light up when they start using this habit. And it works because it signals your brain that you've already accomplished something. That instant order, instant calm, instant win. So if you try this, tomorrow, make your bed, fluff the pillows, and just stand there for 3 seconds to realize that you have had your first win of the day. And my third tip is to hydrate before you caffeinate. So my own turning point here was on a very hectic day. I realized that I had had 3 cups of coffee, but not even a sip of water. No wonder I felt drained. So this works because water wakes up your organs, it boosts your energy, and it also clears that brain fog even faster than caffeine can. So if you try this, keep a glass of water at your nightstand, drink it before your coffee, and then notice if your energy feels a little bit steadier in the morning. My fourth tip is set 1 intention, not 10. So I have a young friend, very successful, but she created a mile-long to-do list every single morning. By 10 o'clock, she already felt defeated because she knew that there was no way she was going to complete it. Then she switched to 1 big intention for the day, and her whole stress level shifted. This works because focusing on 1 meaningful thing reduces that overwhelm and it increases the follow-through. So you make sure you get that done. So you might want to try this before breakfast. Ask yourself, what's 1 thing that you want to accomplish today? And then write on a sticky note and then make it visible so it does get done. And my 5th tip is move even if for 5 minutes. So this is kind of a funny story, but it works, and I tried it, and I actually do it sometimes myself. One of my clients does kitchen dancing while she's brewing her coffee. She said, I know it looks silly, but she swears it sets the tone for her entire day. And it works because movement boosts the endorphins. It wakes up your body and it signals to your brain, I'm alive and I'm ready to take on the day. So you might want to try this. Choose 1 favorite song, and while it's playing, stretch, dance, take a quick walk around. There's no gym required. Or try the kitchen dancing while your coffee is brewing. So I just want to wrap up by saying I'd like you to take on a small challenge if you wouldn't mind. So pick just 1 of those 5 morning resets starting tomorrow. You don't have to overhaul your entire life. All you have to do is just do 1 little shift, and it will change the tone of your entire day. And if you try it, I'd love to hear from you which one works best for you. Share it with me, or better still, Share with another friend who could use a calmer start to their day too. And because let's be honest, we could all use a little less chaos and a little more peace in our mornings. And if you want to learn more about simple living, you might want to check out my Minimalist Essentials workbook. It's just $14.99, and you can check it and purchase it on the link below. So please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. You know I love to hear from you, so please comment. And also, I'd love to hear what you're thinking. So share this and let me know. I will look forward to seeing you next week, and until then, just keep it simple.